You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. Yes, it's a very confusing word in English. It's not used all that much. It means filled with horror or shock. The spelling makes it confusing, but the pronunciation is pretty straightforward once you know both British and American English pronunciations are similar here as aghast. Alright, let's break it down. A schwa sound, it's not an A, it's an aghast. A long A sound there. Aghast. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.